Okay, so today we are talking through your plans for next week, or I guess today, with it being Monday. Make sure that you finish that first graph assignment before revisiting your mind map exam or your mind map. For our mind map, it's really important for today that we move on to thinking about what our refined path is going to be. So notice in this one we have like the general topic of aquatic animals, and then we have an area that is mostly this teal color, and then we have a thing at the top that says refined path is dolphins. So that means that like all of these areas, all of these little graphics in here that are dolphins pertain to that there. While that's good, we kind of want to work towards a more specific example. I also have this one in here where I have it labeled for exactly how many pieces of information that I have and then how many graphs that could be. Your requirements is for your mind map to have a minimum of 5 to 8 pieces of information for your final infographic. So in your mind map, I definitely want to see a minimum of 20 total, knowing that we're not going to necessarily use all of them. And then in like one particular branch, then you need to have at least 5 to 8 pieces of information that you would like to use. If you have more than that, like me, so I have 14 pieces of information, 7 of them could be graphs, then I need to kind of narrow that down even more. So I would take literally copy and paste and then move them down into a separate area. In this separate area, I want to make sure that I still have at least 50% graphs. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then these two are like one thing, 6 pieces of information. And so I have to have at least 3 things that could be graphs in here. So I have these marked in like this darker color for my things that could be graphs. Please color code for your own clarity. And then for my own clarity, if you could add something like this down here at the bottom to where it says the refined path, how many total you have, and then also the number of graphs that would be in there. That would be fantastic and really help me to make sure that I understand that you understand what you're doing for this assignment. When you are done with this for the day, you are good to start moving on to tomorrow's work. Thank you.